Are you planning a kitchen remodel and wondering if you should jump on board with the latest craze in kitchen cabinetry? Frameless cabinets. Today, we're going to help you decide between framed and frameless kitchen cabinets. Hey everyone, I'm Callie with JSB Home Solutions. We've been transforming kitchens in Central Ohio for over 45 years, so we've seen a lot of trends come and go. Today, we're diving into the big debate, framed versus frameless kitchen cabinets. We'll cover everything from cost to customization and even maintenance tips. You'll be able to identify what is most important to you in your cabinets and decide if framed or frameless will be the perfect fit, no matter what contractor you work with. Hit like and subscribe to see more content like this. So, framed cabinets have this face frame around the front of the cabinet box, and it looks kind of like a picture frame. It's pretty common in American kitchens and fits a lot of styles, from traditional to modern and contemporary. Frameless cabinets, though, skip the face frame. They're all about the sleek European vibe, perfect for modern and minimalist looks. All right, let's talk money. In a medium-sized kitchen remodel, framed cabinets usually cost between $22,000 and $28,000 for the cabinets and the installation. For the same kitchen project, if you go frameless, you're looking at $25,000 to $30,000. The higher price tag for frameless is mainly because they take much more work and expertise to install. When it comes to installation, framed cabinets are pretty quick, about 2 to 3 days. They come pre-packaged and you set them in place, secure them, and you're good to go. Frameless cabinets, though, take at least 5 days. They're trickier to install because they can get twisted easily, causing all sorts of problems. So you have to be extra careful to get them installed just right. Customization time. Frameless cabinets are all about that modern, clean look with sleek lines and high gloss finishes. Frameless cabinets are limited in design to modern, contemporary, and minimalist type looks. You can add any accessory you want, from pull-out spice racks, built-in utensil organizers, cookie sheet organizers, and trash bin pullouts. On the flip side, framed cabinets can create just about any design style you could possibly want, and they can use all the same range of accessories as frameless cabinets. People often think that frameless cabinets give you more space. For drawers, that's true. They don't have a face frame, so you get about 1 to 3 more inches, which is about 1 extra fork slot in a utensil organizer. But for shelves, the space is the same between framed and frameless cabinets. Framed cabinets have a small lip from the face frame, and frameless cabinets will have a small lip from the door. But in either case, it doesn't affect how much you can store in your cabinet. What about maintenance requirements? Framed cabinets are low maintenance. Just wipe them down when they get dirty. Frameless cabinets, though, might need a bit more TLC. Without a face frame, they can shift with humidity changes, so you'll need to adjust the hinges a couple of times a year to keep everything aligned. So, are framed or frameless cabinets right for you? If you must have the true European-style cabinets and don't mind the higher price tag and maintenance requirements, frameless cabinets could be right for you. But if you want a more budget-friendly option with little maintenance and more structural strength, while still getting sleek modern designs, framed cabinets would be a great option for you. For more design ideas, check out our kitchen project galleries. You can also watch our video on how to spot quality craftsmanship in kitchen cabinets. If you want to see how we could help you with your kitchen remodel, contact JSB for a 45-minute in-home consultation. Imagine yourself in your space as you explore design styles and the functionality of your kitchen. A successful remodeling project turns your vision into a reality. See you next time.